myself, Dr. Priyansh Jain, your Faculty of Internal Medicine and Biochemistry for the FMG exam for the NEET PG and USMLE. Right now, I am in the Mkhitar Medical University in the lecture hall of the Mkhitar University, where we were conducting the classes for the FMG exam for the internal medicine and the biochemistry part. Every year, we from the Arise Medical Academy, we are continuously coming here for taking the classes. Recently, we have conducted the classes of anatomy, then END, biochemistry, and medicine. So it was always being a wonderful experience, the warm hospitality here. Particularly, I would like to mention Dr. Faizan as the director of Mkhitar University. For taking care of the students very nicely, very friendly manner, and particularly he is very much focused towards the quality education and the safety of students. So if you are planning for MBBS abroad, yes, Mkhitar should be in your bucket list, and check it out, guys. It's a wonderful city of Yerevan. The people here are very kind, very beautiful city. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.